If you want an easy Asian salad to go along with your rice or protein, this smack cucumber salad recipe is to die for. Let's get started on this summer salad right away. Today, I've got English cucumbers, but you can also use mini crisp cucumbers for this easy Asian salad. Wash them up and cut off the ends and slice them up into 2 halves. Don't remove the cucumber peel as that's rich in fiber. Right here the seeds are small, so I am not removing them. But if you find larger seeds in your cucumbers, do scrape them out for this smack cucumber salad recipe because that would be unappetizing. Then gently bruise the cucumber, or should I say smack the cucumber, hence the name smack cucumber salad. I use a pastry roller or chapati roller to get this done. Then cut diagonally and ensure the slices look presentable. Once the smack cucumbers are in the bowl, add in some salt to release the water from the cucumber. Rest it for 10 minutes.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
More time to rest gives you better tasting smack cucumber salad. It's time to add the first ingredient in this easy Asian salad: garlic. Then we add in sriracha sauce. Next, add in Shaoxing wine, which is a type of rice wine. Then some soy sauce. Next, add in some sesame oil. This is what gives a glazy look on the cucumbers. And finally, we add in sugar to balance the flavors. Now to the most important part. Give it a good mix so that all the garlic and the sauces coat each of the cucumber slices. But don't get alarmed by the presence of raw garlic, because the rice wine or the vinegar will cut the sharpness so that you can get these beautiful flavors of spice and sour all in one mouthful of summer salad. If you like this video, you might want to check out how to cook jasmine rice next, or make another delicious side for the rice using bok choy, and I shall see you on another video. Take care.